watching TV.
I'm Ted Cruz, and I approve this message. Closed captioning sponsored in part by
Jelly Belly Jelly Beans. The original gourmet jelly bean in 50 true-to-life flavors like toasted marshmallow. Get real. Get Jelly Belly.
New customers can save an average of $500 just by switching to Progressive. So you'll be bringing home the bacon in no time. Sorry.
Get a free quote at progressive.com.
It's time for Double Jeopardy, and let's see if Philip likes these categories that are now in play. Movies on submarines. Thank you, ma'am. Musical words and phrases. 1980s books. Gonna take you higher. And finally, emplacement. Each correct response beginning with the letter M. Philip, we begin with you.
emplacement for 1200, please.
That's a traditional emblem called the Soyombo on the flag of this Asian country. Philip.
What is Thailand?
No. Gordon or Amanda? What is Mongolia? The M placement. Each correct response must begin with an M. You forgot that, Philip. Go again.
Emplacement 1600.
This Oklahoma City, named for a Native American tribe, was the agency headquarters for the 5 civilized tribes. And this time comes up in Muskogee. Philip?
Emplacement 800.
Only Muslims are allowed to enter Mecca and this city, 275 miles away by road. Amanda?